Moving average and CCI are some of the simplest indicators, but that's exactly why they're often used incorrectly. In this video, I'll show why this combination works, in which conditions it gives results, and when it starts to fail. We will go through several trades in a row, so you can see not theory, but the real logic behind entries on the chart. Reminder, I have a Telegram channel where I share different strategies, tips, tricks, and you can even copy my signals. There's a lot of useful trading information there, so subscribe, it will definitely be helpful. So, why does this strategy work? It's not about randomly pressing buy or sell, it's about using a filter. Most people lose money because they trade in chaos, don't understand the trend and enter without confirmation. We do the opposite. Moving average shows us the current market direction. CCI helps to choose the right entry point, avoiding trades in the middle of noise. How does moving average work? Both indicators are already set up here. I use EMA. Why not SMA? SMA calculates the average evenly, while EMA gives more weight to recent prices, so it reacts faster to market changes. I set EMA with a period of 50. In trading, if the price is above EMA and the line is upward, the logic is simple. The market is in an uptrend, so we look for buy entries. If the price is below EMA and line is downwards, and it's a downtrend. If the price moves back and forth around EMA and the line is flat, that means a range market, noisy conditions. It's better to skip this pair because EMA doesn't provide direction. EMA isn't magic, it's just a visual trend filter and a dynamic level where the price often bounces or consolidates. The entry point is determined using the second indicator, CCI. What does it measure? Simply put, it shows how far the price has deviated from its average. When the price shoots up too fast, the market may be overheated. When it drops too fast, it may be oversold. CCI helps gauge overheated moments and points where momentum resumes. Levels I use plus 100 for strong bullish momentum and minus 100 for strong bearish momentum. Right now it's around 100. Important, CCI above 100 doesn't mean sell immediately. It means the market accelerated. Along the trend, CCI often helps enter after a pullback. But for now, we don't have a pullback and the CCI is around the 100 level. We are not relying on it at this moment. In counter-trend trades, CCI can give signals, but only if the structure is clear, like a false breakout confirmed by technical analysis. I use CCI as a momentum sensor. It heats up, cools down, then picks up again. These are usually the best entry moments. I keep the period at 20, standard setting. Price is above EMA and the line is up, so a buy is possible. I wait for a slight pullback. Now it dipped below 100, good moment to enter. I open the trade and watch the price action. The price was holding steadily here, so a buy is a reasonable decision. We are watching the impulse. Momentum confirms with a few bullish candles. It confirms what we saw on the chart. Now it is slightly below the price. We entered at a good point. On the minute chart, the trade aligns with the trend. It's pretty simple. You may indicate the trend. CCI moved lower and is going closer to the middle, and it shows it's safe to enter. No counter trend, no breakout, so we trade the trend calmly. Yes. At the moment, the market situation is quite calm, so you can trade confidently. Close and profit, great. If the price hadn't stayed above, we could still trade the trend. No overheating yet, the 100 level was not broken, so buy is safe. Increase the order. I recommend you to do it carefully, always 2-3% of your deposit, and start on demo first. Don't rush, otherwise you risk losing your deposit. And we came here to make money. Entering another buy trade, small dip down, price stabilizing, watching the levels. I think it will move toward these levels. I'm waiting for the price to reach them in the near future, and then a strong drop to this level is possible. Here our previous level that we marked has just been broken, but I think that in the near future it will move here, so we calmly enter in the direction of the trend. The indicator helps me with this. Calm pair, no chaos, no noise, uptrend in place. There was an uptrend, but now there was a small downward breakout, nothing critical. If needed, we will recover using martingale. I remind you, if we close an order in loss, we can recover it, but we set a limit, no more than 2 losing entries. I had my first losing entry and now I will try to recover it. Using martingale, I set 600 and wait for the entry moment. Yes, you can wait for a small pullback downwards and then open a buy trade. I open here because it is pulsating downward quite uncertainly, and we wait. Now growth started right after we entered. I mostly trade 1 minute time frames, as you can see. This is one of my stable trading approach. Sometimes I trade 15 seconds, sometimes 5 minute time frames, but in videos I usually show 1 minute so I can show more orders and not make the video too long. I hope my videos help you understand trading, because I try to explain everything clearly. Sometimes I return to previous topics and repeat myself, but I do this so that you remember it and trade calmly in the future. So, what do we have now? The price is moving upward steadily, there are no breakouts, our order is about to close. And as we can see, great. We have recovered quite well. I think I will open one more order on another currency pair. Let's see what the situation is there. Here, as you can see, the price is below the line. That means you could open a sell trade. The situation has changed. Now the price is higher. The line is quite flat, slightly upward, and CCI is in the middle. I will still open a buy trade with a trend because I like the impulse. Then we will see what happens, because the impulse will most likely return to these levels. 2 consecutive candles have formed. Yes, we opened while the price is above the line. This indicator shows us that it was possible to enter. Here it is in the middle, so we cannot rely on it, but entering with a trend is still normal. The indicators complement each other. This is the correct strategy. You should not rely on just one thing. We look at different perspectives and entered. Now there is a strong downward breakout, but the price does not hold there and continues to pulse. I like the impulse, the pulsation is good. If another small candle closes upward now, I think it will continue rising. Now it is forming downward and even dropped below the indicator, but that also happens. We are not protected from this. Yes, there was a breakout and we closed in loss. Now we will recover using martingale. I enter a buy trade because the price reached the line, and we watch how it develops. If I close in loss again, I stop using martingale because that would be 2 in a row. I stop. It is better to exit with minimal losses than to continue further. That means the logic is not working right now and we need to look for a different approach. In general, the approach is clear. The price was above the line is leveling out with a slight upward slope. CCI is also in the middle. In principle, you can enter with the trend. The chart itself is quite readable, without very small chaotic movements. That is also good. Now there is a downward pulsation. We wait for development. It is pulsating back and forth. Now it is rising good. A second bullish candle is forming and there is a strong breakout upward. As you can see, we close in profit. Excellent. The direction has moved upward. The line is calm without sharp drops. You can open a buy trade. Just wait a little for the moment. From here we go. It moved up nicely. I think it will reach approximately these levels and then there may be a reversal. But for now we trade with the trend. The price is above the EMA line, moving upward toward 100, which means the market is not overheated yet and you can enter with the trend. Everything is logical, everything is simple. Don't complicate it, you don't need to add 5 indicators. You will just get confused and your chart will turn into a mess. We don't need that. The chart should be readable and indicators should help us, not confuse us. This is very important. You just need to remember. EMA gives direction. CCI helps you not to enter emotionally, but to enter based on market impulse. Everything is simple. If you want, write in the comments whether this strategy was interesting to you, and I will make 10 trades in a row using EMA and CCA and show everything in more detail. As you can see, we are in profit. What I wanted to say is that together these indicators allow you to understand market movement and trade consistently, and you will have stable profit. That is the goal of my videos. And I remind you that I have a Telegram channel where I talk about different strategies, show everything with examples, a lot of theory, many practical tips, and access to copying my signals. All of this is in my Telegram channel. Go to the profile header and subscribe. Be sure to subscribe, friends. Now I will withdraw my profit. As you can see, if you approach trading with a clear head and spend time on technical analysis and indicators, you can earn consistently and well. I withdraw 700, click continue. Well, the funds are sent. In 20 minutes I will receive them. I was glad to see you in today's video. Be sure to write in the comments whether it was interesting for you to watch this video and what remained unclear. Ask questions, I am always ready to answer. I wish you successful trading and stable profit. I'm always with you. See you next time. Bye.